Hi everyone. Today in this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Windows 10. Dark mode is a popular feature that allows users to switch their device's interface from a light theme to a dark theme. This can be easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments, and can also save battery life on devices with OLED displays. Let's see how to enable dark mode on Windows 10. If you're using an older version of Windows, the process may be slightly different, but the general steps should still apply. To enable dark mode in Windows 10, the first thing you'll need to do is open the Settings app. You can do this by clicking the Start button and then selecting the setting icon. Once the Settings app is open, click on the Personalization option. You'll see different setting menu at the left-hand side. Now, click on the Colors option. This will bring up a new set of options, including the ability to enable dark mode. To enable dark mode, simply click on Choose Your Color option, and you'll see 3 different options. Click on the dark. This will change the interface from a light theme to a dark theme. You can also customize the appearance of dark mode by selecting the Custom option under the Choose Your Color menu. This will allow you to choose specific colors for various elements of the interface, such as the taskbar and Start menu. And that's it. You've now enabled dark mode in Windows 10. You can toggle it on and off as needed using the Settings app. I hope video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.